things real estate, money matters.
Hey, real quick, if you have been waiting on the housing market to finally give you some room to breathe, it just did. Fresh numbers came out this week, and they are telling on the sellers. Let me break it down. One out of every five homes on the market right now has had a price cut. One out of five. That is the highest we have seen in about a year. Think about what that means. Sellers are the ones blinking first right now. Here is another one that caught my eye. The typical asking price on a home is sitting right around $429,000. That is down a little over 2% from a year ago. And get this, that is the ninth month in a row that prices have come down year over year. 9 months. That is not a fluke. That is a trend. Now, before my sellers panic on me, hear me out, because it is not all bad news. Buyers are still showing up. Pending sales are actually up a little from last year. So people are still buying. They're just not overpaying anymore. And that right there is the whole story. The power is shifting back toward the buyer. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Fresh data shows the market is basically splitting in two. Starter homes, the entry level stuff, they are piling up and sitting. But luxury homes are flying off the shelf. So, depending on what you are shopping for, you are in two totally different markets. Let me tell you what this means for you. If you are a buyer, especially a first time buyer in Atlanta, Detroit, or anywhere across my 8 lending states, this is your window. You can ask for a price reduction. You can ask for closing cost help. You can ask the seller to buy your rate down. 6 months ago, you could not do that. Today, you can. If you are a seller, this is not the market to test a crazy price. Price it right the first time, and you can still move it. Chase the market down with cut after cut, and you lose money and you lose time. And for my investor family, listen up. When entry level inventory is sitting and sellers are motivated, that is when the smart money goes shopping. DSCR loans, which just means the property qualifies based on the rent it brings in, not just your personal income, those are still very much on the table. Same with non QM options for folks who do not fit the traditional box. Now, let me talk rates for a second because timing matters. As of this week, mortgage rates are hanging right around 6.7% on a 30-year fix. They have been bouncing around lately, not crashing, not spiking. So if you are already pre-approved, you have room to negotiate before more buyers wake up and jump back in. And that is really the point. This is not me telling you what to do. This is me showing you what is happening so you can make a smart move for your situation. Every situation is different, so always speak with a licensed professional before you make a big financial decision. So here's what I want you to do. If you are thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, or investing in real estate anywhere in Atlanta, Detroit, or any of the 8 states I lend in, comment interested below. For more info, visit fortknoxsolutions.com for mortgage and fortknoxinvestor.com for investor resources. Bobs up with LaTonia Knox.
This concludes our session for today. If you're interested in investing, please check out our website for all your real estate needs. Thanks for watching. All things real estate, money matters. All things real estate, money matters.